Hey guys, welcome to Techie Talks. A couple of months before I uploaded a video like for housewarming invitation creation, and I really got a great response for that video. I got like 100 plus likes for that video, so I thought of creating a few more designs and share it with you. This is the invitation which I created earlier, and like I have four more designs now. I'll show you one by one, and this is the first one. Like have given a natural like touch to this invitation, like background, like it's quite natural, and there is a house and like their pet and a family, and like in the like bottom thing I have added the ceremony and the location and the date. It looks simple, but I think you will like it. And the another one is, if you are someone who prefers like a simple design, then you have to go for this one. I'm sure that you will like it. It has some golden design, and where I just simply added the ceremony and the location with the word like save the date. And the next one, this also looks simple, simple and neat. So, and here, like I've added a simple house element, and then I've added a branch and a few flowers here, and the default content like the ceremony and the date and location. And the another one, yeah, actually, I've reused the first template. So here I've added a hut, and in this template, I replaced that hut with another like house a picture. That's the difference. And I have added like a tiny like house with a heart symbol here, and it'll also look good for your invitation. I'll upload the video along with the links to all these templates in the description. Okay, all you have to do is you have to create a Canva account, and like after that, like you can copy this link and paste it to your browser. Then you have to ask for access. So once you click on like access, then like I'll give you the access to edit this template. Then it'll be like quite easy for you to edit to put all your details in the invitation. And I hope you like these designs. And if you like it, please do subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.